Pranam Dr. Sudeep Pal, National Secretary General, All India Research Council. We, a delegation of 12 representatives from All India Research Scholars Association, had a crucial meeting with Honorable Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Dr. Srivari Chandrasekhar, and Dr. Akhilesh Gupta ji, and Dr. Praveen. We, All India Research Scholars Association, addressed the several issues which are faced by the research scholars across the country. Especially, we raised the issue of hike in fellowship. IRSA is strongly emphasized for a need of a substantial 60% hike in a fellowship. And also we stressed that, and we submitted a proposal that automatic revision of a hike in a fellowship for every 4 years or an annual increment should be given to research scholars. And also we stressed that we need a regular disbursement of, we proposed and we discussed mainly that the irregular disbursement of the fellowship. So many research scholars are facing a lot of problems. Yes, the issue of irregular disbursement of fellowship funds was brought to forefront and highlighting the hardship of the research scholars due to the delay and inconveniences. And also, so many research scholars belongs to non-net fellowship holders. They are facing a lot of problems, and special attention was given for the non-net fellowship holders for the stagnant state of non-net fellowship, which was remained almost unchanged over a decade at rupees of 8,000 rupees. Getting 8,000 rupees per month and net their livelihood is really very much a problem. They won't comfortable. They have so many issues also. So that's why IRSA, we called for an urgent automation or urgent revision for this particularly non-net fellowship holders, those who are getting 8,000 rupees. And also IRSA strongly believe and I strongly we raised our voice for the medical facility and the medical insurance for research scholars. And also we noticed that there is a great harassment, physically, mentally harassment to the research scholars. So we strongly asked, we proposed.
Myself, Amresh Mishra. I am All India Research Scholar representative. Yesterday we met DST secretary and other officials to raise our issues in front of them. Our key issue was fellowship hike, and they assured us to consider this issue. Apart from this, we raised few other issues like medical facilities as research institutions and scholar harassment. They also said that they were not very well aware of that and they might not be concerned agency to for these issues. Now the question is, who is going to take the responsibility for the scholars? We have demanded that an agency should be there to address scholar harassment, medical facilities, regular distribution of fellowship and non-net fellowship revision. This time we are not going to settle with 20 to 25% hike. We will fight for the right amount which we genuinely deserve to survive for next hike, which will be after 4 years or more. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Swam. I am IRSA core member. Though DST has acknowledged all our points we put forward, but they said they might not be the correct agency to address our issues. Even though it is strange, but they are not even aware of the lack of medical facilities we are facing in research institutes. अब सवाल ये उठता है कि हम लोगों की परेशानियों का हल किन से निकलेगा, हम अपनी परेशानी को लेके किन के पास जाएंगे। हमने इवन उनसे ये भी कहा कि जो रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स की हरासमेंट होती है, जो मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ हैं और फेलोशिप के डिस्बर्समेंट जो रेगुलर डिस्बर्समेंट नहीं होती हैं और जो नॉन नेट फेलोशिप है वो पिछले 10 साल से नहीं बढ़ा है, इन सब सारे इश्यूज़ पे हमने उनसे एक एजेंसी बनाने की बात कही। और ये बात मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि इस मीटिंग के बाद भी इस बार हम 20 से 25 या 30% में मानने वाले नहीं हैं। अगर इसके लिए हमें सड़क पर उतरना पड़े तो हम रिसर्च स्कॉलर सड़क पर उतरने को तैयार हैं, क्योंकि हमें एक हैंडसम अमाउंट चाहिए ताकि हम अपने लाइफ को जी सकें। एटलीस्ट हमें अपने लाइफ के बेसिक नीड्स के लिए हमें परेशान ना होना पड़े। तो सरकार से मेरा एक अनुरोध है कि हमें हमारी इन सब चीज़ों पर ध्यान दिया जाए।
Hello everyone, myself Anut Kumar Sharma, a PhD scholar at IIT Roorkee, as well as the Institute representative of All India Research Scholar Association, which is known as ARSA. After our many requests to DST, they gave us an appointment to meet us and to discuss the status of Hiking Fellowship. On 1st June at 2 o'clock, we held a crucial meeting at DST with our 12 delegates of ARSA from different institutes under the guidance of Dr. Srivari Chandrasekhara and Dr. Akhilesh Gupta, Dr. Praveen. For many issues, DST had showed a positive response and told us the hike would be announced shortly within 2 or 3 weeks, and as per our demand, the hike will be implemented since 1st January 2023. For regular disbursement issue, DST has said many funding agencies are working on it and the amount should be disbursed through DBT process, but they have not assured that how much it will take time. The issue of auto-gradation of fellowship had been taken into account by DST. The DST official says they will discuss it with their committee members, and maybe it will be annual basis or in every 4 years. In the matter of non-net fellowship, they told this is not section of their jurisdiction and we are being suggested to go to UGC as UGC handle the non-net fellowship. In the matter of harassment of PhD scholars showing a positive attitude, they said that they will put this thing to SSRC, which is known as Social Scientific Responsibility Council, and make a proper guideline regarding these issues. The meeting was held almost 1 hour 45 minutes and we have discussed all the major issues with DST officials. We hope the final outcomes will be finalized very soon, but till then we have to continue our unity, our strength and our struggle for hike in fellowship till the OM is not released. Thank you very much.